Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best limited ingredient 10lb turkey dog dry food available on the market. The Northwest Naturals freeze-dried turkey dog food. If you're a pet parent looking for a wholesome, human-grade, protein-packed solution for your furry friend, you'll want to stick around. Let's start with the ingredients. Northwest Naturals uses human-grade ingredients, and that's not just a buzzword here. This food is made in the USA under ethical standards and USDA on-site inspection. It consistently receives top food safety scores, which tells you right away that this is a trustworthy choice for your dog. Now, this is a freeze-dried raw diet, and if you've done any research into dog nutrition, you know how beneficial raw feeding can be. Freeze-drying locks in nutrients without compromising on taste or texture. That means you're feeding your dog a product that retains all the natural goodness of raw meat without the hassle of refrigeration. Each nugget is bite-sized and designed to be easy to chew, making it ideal for dogs of all breeds and sizes, even puppies and picky eaters. Whether you're feeding it as a full meal or using it as a high-reward treat for training, these nuggets are versatile and incredibly convenient. Let's talk about the health benefits. Feeding a raw, limited ingredient diet like this one has been shown to improve nutrient absorption. That leads to shinier coats, healthier skin, and better digestion. It also helps with dental health and promotes lean muscle mass, contributing to your dog's overall wellness. Another thing we love is the formulation. This dog food is completely grain-free and gluten-free, which is fantastic for pets with sensitivities or allergies. Plus, there are no artificial additives or fillers, just clean, straightforward nutrition. The freeze-dried format gives it a long shelf life, and the packaging is travel-friendly with an easy open seal. Whether you're headed to the dog park or going on a road trip, this food goes with you effortlessly. It's also worth mentioning that Northwest Naturals offers several other flavor options: chicken, lamb, beef, whitefish and salmon. So you can rotate proteins or find the perfect match for your pet's taste buds. But the turkey recipe we're focusing on today stands out for being a single protein, limited ingredient option that's ideal for dogs with dietary restrictions. At 1.56 pounds per pack, that's roughly 25 ounces. This bag gives you a generous amount of product, especially considering the nutrient density of freeze-dried food. You can serve it as is or rehydrate with a little warm water to enhance aroma and texture. To sum it all up, Northwest Naturals freeze-dried turkey dog food is a premium, healthy, and convenient option for pet parents who want the best. It's raw, it's clean, it's made in the USA, and it checks all the boxes for a high-quality diet that supports your dog's long-term health. If you're ready to upgrade your pet's food, check out the link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews just like this one. This is Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.